Everyone is looking at the summary point, right? See the summary point. I am showing the screen. I am showing the screen. That is summary point. Right? I am showing the screen as Zoom. Summary point. See the summary point. Cell makes the tissue, and tissue makes the organ. An organ combined to form an organ system. Right? See the summary point only. हमारी cells किससे मिल, yes, cell मिल करके all the cells make the tissue, and tissue makes the organ. An organ combined with the to make a organ system. Second point, blood cells are made in the bone marrow. हमारी जो blood cells है वो कहाँ बनती है? In the bone marrow. And bone marrow is where it is found? Where it is found, which is soft tissue, soft substance inside the some big bones. Big bones are outside, they are look like a heart, and inside there is soft substance that is bone marrow, right? The next summary point is the skull, backbone, limb, shoulder, girdle, and hip girdle are the parts of the skeleton. ये सारे skeleton के parts हैं. Right? We have already studied about the skeletal system. Now next point, joints help us to move. Joints क्या होते हैं students? I told you, yes, joints are the meeting point of the two bones. Right? Joints help us to move. हमें move करने में help कराते हैं, body parts को move करने में. They are the four types. I told you four types कौन से होते हैं joints? Ball and socket joints, hinge joints, pivot joints, and gliding joints, right? We have already studied, right? And nearly, next point, nearly 650 or more than muscles make the muscular system. Nearly 650 muscles in our body, and 40% of weight of our body, yes, related to the muscles. 40% हमारी body का weight जो है वो muscle से है, right? The muscles help us to move, contracting and relaxing. Yesterday we have studied about muscles. Muscles क्या help करती हैं? Help us to move, contracting and relaxing. There are two sets of muscles, right? Yesterday we had talked about, yes, and muscles are joined with the bones through the tendons, right? See the screen, bones, muscles, tendons. ठीक है? Yes. Everyone see the screen, सबको screen दिख रही है? It is visible, this screen, all of you, सबको screen दिख रही है? It is visible? Yes, ma'am. Okay. So let's do the exercise part, right? We have done some question and some questions you have to do it. This is exercise part, right? Solutions we have done. This is you have to take the screenshot. There are take the correct options. There are some questions and 4 options are given. You have to take the correct options. I'm reading this question, and a group of organs together make up organ system, right? Take this. This is exercise part. The exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide gases takes place. The second one, B part. B part. The exchange of organ, oxygen and carbon dioxide gas takes place in, yes, where? Lungs. Lungs में होती है garbage of the body. कौन सा ऐसा सिस्टम है जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स ले जाता है ऑल बॉडी पार्ट्स पे? कौन सा सिस्टम? रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम, सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम, डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. सो सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम. I have already taught you this system carries nutrients to all parts of the body. सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम क्या करता है? कैरी करता है न्यूट्रिएंट्स को टू ऑल बॉडी पार्ट्स, राइट? ई पोर्शन. अनदर नेम ऑफ द बैकबोन इज स्पाइन. हम बैकबोन का दूसरा नाम क्या है? दैट इज स्पाइन. टिक द स्पाइन. इफ यू हैव अ बुक देन यू हैव टू टिक इन द बुक. नो नीड टू राइट इन द नोटबुक. इसको कॉपी में करने की जरूरत नहीं है. देयर इज नो नीड टू राइट इन द कॉपी. एक्सरसाइज पार्ट ओनली. यू हैव टू फिल द एक्सरसाइज, यस, इन द बुक. टिक ऑल दीज आंसर्स इन द बुक, राइट? केवल क्वेश्चन आंसर्स जो पार्ट होते हैं यू हैव टू राइट इन द नोटबुक. ठीक, चलिए. नाउ दिस इज, नाउ आप ये कुछ क्वेश्चन जो मैंने करके रखे थे, now you have to give the answers. If you are not able to give the answer, then I will give the answer. The next point is muscles are attached to the bones by the strong fibers called. There are four options. Look at these options and give me the right answer. कौन दे रहा है? जल्दी बताइए. टोइशी, किसने आंसर दिया? इसका आंसर क्या होगा? मसल्स आर अटैच्ड टू द बोन्स बाय द स्ट्रॉन्ग फाइबर्स आर कॉल्ड टेंडॉन्स. यस, स्पाइन गलत था. अनाक्षी अग्रवाल, गुनिका सही है, पार्ट सही है. टेंडॉन्स, यस, इज द राइट आंसर. टेंडॉन्स, यस, ये स्ट्रॉन्ग फाइबर का नाम क्या है? टेंडॉन्स है, राइट. Shaurya Jain, Chanchal Singh, Gunjan, Natik, Suhani Agarwal, they are joining now. I don't know why they are getting late. Gunjan, Suhani, Natik, why you are just joining this late? I have already taken the class. I have already started class, right? You have missed the class. It's okay. Okay. Let's see the next question. So F, the right option is tendon. So you have to take the tendons. Next question I am reading. It provides cushion between the vertebrae. It provides the cushion between the vertebrae. The options are joints, ligaments, blood, and cartilage. What is the right answer? Bhavya Rajput has given, yes, first. सबसे पहले उसने आंसर किया cartilage. Very good. Yes, Kimaya. Very good. Gunika. सबका आंसर सही है, right? So you have to take the cartilage options को टिक कर दीजिए. Yes. Right, everyone has given the right answer. Next is next H, floating ribs are attached to the. See the next question. See the next question, everyone. Yes, very good. Breastbone. Acha, floating ribs are attached to the spine. Parchok, there's a wrong answer. Bunika, yes, right answer, spine. Have you remembered it? I taught you floating waves are attached to the spine, not to the breastbone. Floating ribs are only one pair only. All the pairs of the ribs are attached to the spine and breastbone both. But only floating ribs are attached to the spine, not to the breastbone. Right? Yes. All has given the right answer. And please unmute me. No, this time not. We are doing the exercise part. Yes. Let's see the other activity, other exercise part. See this and give me the answer. Cardiac muscles work throughout our lifetime. This is true or false? This is true or false? True. Yes, very good. Bhavya Rajput. She has given yes part. Gunjan, very good. Yes. Yes, very good. Cardiac muscles work together our lifetime. हमारी पूरी lifetime work muscles करती हैं. कौन सी cardiac muscles? जब तक हम जिंदा रहते हैं, they do not stop even for the moment, right? Yes, right. Next question. See the next question. Muscles can pull and push. Muscles can pull and push. That is true or false? यश बिल्कुल सही आंसर दिया. फॉल्स. गुंजन सही. यस. स्वानी फॉल्स. मसल्स करती क्या? अच्छा ओके, गिव मी द राइट आंसर्स. मसल कैन पुश और पुल. कोई एक चीज करती है. क्या करती है? मसल्स कैन ओनली गिव मी द राइट आंसर्स. एनीवन? नो. पुश गलत आंसर. पुल. यस. Naman Gupta and Surbhi Goel. They are joining now again. They are coming late and joining the class late also. It's okay. Yes, pull only. Muscles can only pull, not push. Right? Read. Yes, remember this point. Chaliye. Next. Yes, come on the next point. Intestine have involuntary muscles. This is true or false? Intestines have involuntary muscles. Involuntary muscle hai? Yes, that is true. Very good, Chanchal. Bhavya Rajput. Yes, Gunika. Yes, bilkul right answer. Nashi, Parth. Everyone has given the right answers. Very good. Toishi, Shivansh, Naman, true. Right answer. Right. Intestines क्या होती है? Involuntary muscles होती हैं. And what are the involuntary muscles? What are the involuntary muscles? Who is going to tell me this answer? Who is going to?
Listen, the screen is visible or not? Say yes. Screen is visible.
Visible, Swani Agarwal. Last 10 minutes, I do that. Last 10 minutes, right? We have to complete this exercise first, then I unmute to all. I will do, right? Surbhi, don't do that, right? In the last 10 minutes, I will do that. So see the next point, give me answer. The pivot joints connect the skull and the spine. This is true or false? A pivot joint connects the skull and the spine. That is true. Very good part, Chanchal, Gunika. Yes, everyone has given the right answer. Yes, right, true. Okay, Kimaya, Arav, very good. Yes. Next point, the excretory system helps in the digestion of food. This is true or false? Gunika ne right answer diya. Yes, this is false. Okay, who helps in the digestion of the food? Okay, tell me which system helps in digestion of food? Give me the right answer. And yes, she has given first digestive system, right? Digestive system help करता है food को digest करने में. Very good. So ये क्या हो जाएगा? False. Right part, Mitul. Everyone has given the right answers. Okay. See the next point. Come on. See the next point. The lower jaw is the only moving part in the skull. The lower jaw is only the moving part in the skull. This is true. Yes, very good. True. Naman, Mitul Jain, Parth, Gunika, all are giving the speedy answer. Very good. This class is very good. Yes, true. Very good. Okay, very good. Any other part in the skull that can move? Give me the answer. Skull में और कोई part है जो move करता है? No. Very good, Chanchal. Very good, Arav. Very good. Okay, come on. Last point. Right. The spinal cord passes through the backbone. See the last point. The spinal cord passes through the backbone. This is true or false? True. Yes, very good. All are giving the right answer. True. Naman, Arav, Shivansh. Very good, Kimaya, Aradhya. Yes, Gunika. Very good. As this is true. Yes. Now this is not finished. Yes, we have one more exercise. One more exercise. This one more exercise waiting for you. Yes, this is here. You can see the screen. Yes, answer in one word or two words only. Right? Yes, give me the answers. Give me the answer. Right? Next exercise part, that is answer in one word or two words. I have already done, but I will ask first and then I show you the right answers, right? Okay. What is our body made up of? हमारी बॉडी किससे मिलकर बनी है? What is our body made up of? One or two words में give the answer. Cells. Very good. Chanchal. नहीं, Chanchal नहीं. Organ. Organ is right. No, this is not the right answer. This is not the right answer, students. What is our body made up of? नहीं, organ system भी गलत है. No. Yes, tiny cells. Who get? Mohit Kushwaha. Very good, Mohit Kushwaha. He has given the right answer. Not Shivansh. This is not the right answer. Tiny cells. Tiny cells मतलब छोटे छोटे cells से मिलकर बनी है. The smallest unit of our body is tiny cells. छोटे छोटे cells से मिलकर बनी है. And cells makes the tissue. Yes, very good. Right answers. And tissue makes the all the different types of tissues makes the organ. Very good, Kritika Agrawal, Bhavya Rajput. Both has given the right answers. Very good. Yes, I've already taught you in the summary point in the chapter also. Yes. Okay, next question. Come on, see the next question. Come on. The time is running out. How many muscles together form a muscular system? How many muscles? Kitni muscles together form a muscular system? 650. Very good. Right answer, Naman Chanchal. Yes, Mohit Kushwaha. 650. Very good. Very good. Yes, we have already taught. I have already taught you. हमारी body में कितनी muscles हैं? Muscular system that is made up of the 650 muscles in our body. Yes, and about 40% weight. Yes, to the muscles. Yes, very good. Right answer. हमारी body का कितना weight जो है वो muscles की वजह से है. Due to the muscles. 40%. Right. Okay, all has given the right answer. Okay, come on, the timing is running out. So next question. So everyone note it down. See the questions. Next question, how many, in which part of the body is the ball and socket joint found? किस body part में ball and socket joints पाया जाता है? Give me the right answers. Hip and shoulder joints. Very good. Hip and shoulder joints. Higher nahi. This is not the right answer. Yes. Ball and socket joints are found in the hip and shoulder. Yes. Write the right answer. You have to write in the book also. Hip and shoulder is the right answer. Shorijan. Yes. Yes. Very good. Higher? No. It's not a high. Hip and shoulder joints. Yes. This is the right answers, everyone. Note it down. Hip and shoulder joints. Right. Hip and shoulder joints. Question answer I will do. Okay. And I will show you tomorrow question answers. I will share the screen of the question answers. Right. But you have to write all these exercises in the book. This is exercise part. Hip and shoulder joints. Yes, Natik. Very good. So सभी लोग लिख रहे हैं अपनी book में. Everyone has already purchased the books. अपने books purchase कर ली है. This is beneficial for you if you have a purchase the book. Otherwise, you face a problem, na? Right. Okay. So Anaya, you have. Yes, you have to purchase the book, Naman. Okay, Naman has already. Okay. Okay, next point. Come on, see the next point. Next point, next question. How many bones together form a skeletal system? How many bones together form the skeletal system? Yes, 206. Very good. Right answer. Very good. How many bones made up of the skeletal system? 206 bones. Very good. In the time of newborn baby, if you are a, yes, in the newborn baby, how many bones are there in the newborn baby? Yes, 350 bones. Yes, 300 to 350. Yes, very good. Right answer. Yes, जब हम पैदा होते हैं न्यूबॉर्न बेबी में हमारे पास अबाउट 350 बोन्स होती हैं एंड आफ्टर दैट इन एडल्ट ह्यूमन में 206 बोन्स होती हैं. जब हम बड़े हो जाते हैं धीरे धीरे वी विल ग्रो अप एंड द बोन्स आर रिड्यूस्ड, देन इट विल कितनी हो जाती है 206. राइट, वेरी गुड नैतिक. राइट आंसर. See the next question, everyone, and note it down, everyone. The important part is that you have to note it down in the book. Okay, come on, see the next question. Very good. Which muscles are under our control? कौन सी मसल हमारे कंट्रोल के अंदर होती है? Involuntary. Involuntary हमारे कंट्रोल में होती है गुनिका. You are just giving the opposite answer. The question is that which muscles are under our control? Involuntary नहीं, voluntary. Yes. Suhani Agrawal, what is the, you are giving the right? No. I am asking which type of muscles under our control? Voluntary muscles. Yes. This is the right answer, Gunjan, now. So everyone write voluntary muscles. Spelling is VOLUNTARY. Yes, Naman Gupta, आप भी सही आंसर दिया आपने. Yes, Anaya. Wait, I am. Yes, okay. अभी मैं सबको unmute कर रही हूँ. And please give me the next question. 2 questions are left. Which organ system help us to give birth to babies? Reproductive system. Yes, very good, Pratika Agrawal. Right, everyone. Reproductive system. Yes, next question. F. Which organ system helps to give the birth to babies? Reproductive system. Yes, very good, Gunjan. Right answer. सभी लोग F क्वेश्चन में लिख दीजिए रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम. यस, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज लेफ्ट ओनली. व्हाट प्रोटेक्ट्स आवर लंग्स एंड हार्ट? यस, कम ऑन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट प्रोटेक्ट्स आवर लंग्स एंड हार्ट? हमारे लंग्स एंड हार्ट को कौन प्रोटेक्ट करता है? यस, सोइशी, गिव मी द राइट आंसर. कौन प्रोटेक्ट करता है? Yes, rib cage. Very good. Right answer, Anakshi, Gunika, rib cage. Yes, rib nahi, rib cage. Rib cage. This is the right answer, Bhavya Rajput. This is incomplete, rib cage. Yes, everyone noted down the right answers. Now I'm going to unmute to all. If you have a problem and any doubt, any query, yes, सबसे पहले you have to write down the right answers in the book. Rib cage. Yes, Soishi Saswat. This is the right answer. Yes. हमारे लंग्स और हार्ट को प्रोटेक्ट करने वाला जो होता है वो क्या है? रिब केज. Yes, this is the right answer. I have already taught you and explained you. Yes, this is the right answer. Now I'm going to unmute all. Yes. Now ask your problem.
Ma'am.
One by one.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Speak up.
Ma'am. Ma'am, fifth वाले में सिर्फ इंट्रल लिखना है, मस्कुलर लिखना. Ma'am.
Sorry. Okay. पहले listen. पहले इसी बोलेंगे आप.
Ma'am.
Yes, Soishi.
Ma'am, in muscles there are blood.
What?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm also having one doubt. Ma'am, in muscles there are blood. First of all, नाम से कोई बच्चा आ गया है.
अभी वन बाय वन आई विल आस्क. तोइशी आप बोलो. बोलो तोइशी अभी.
Ma'am.
हाँ बोलो.
Ma'am, in muscles there are blood.
In muscles, yes. देखिए, see all in the muscles also ऑल द ब्लड सेल्स आर, नर्व्स जो होती है हमारी पूरी बॉडी में थ्रू ऑफ फैली रहती है, राइट? तो वो जो ब्लड सेल्स होती है हर जगह जहाँ भी पहुंचेंगी वहां पर ब्लड होगा। अंदर हमारी स्किन के नीचे होती है, और हमारे स्किन के नीचे मसल्स होती है, तो मसल्स में नहीं होते, मसल्स के ऊपर वाली जो स्किन होती है देयर आर।
Okay.
राइट चंचल सिंह, नाउ सुहानी अग्रवाल। सुहानी अग्रवाल, अब आप बोलिए। यस सुहानी बोलो।
Ma'am, I'm saying you can please tell me the first swift tick the correct.
फर्स्ट वन टिक द करेक्ट, फर्स्ट वन,
Tick
फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
5. Yes, ma'am. 5 tick the correct in first question, page number 34.
E part, that is fine. That is E question, that is fine. Another name of the backbone is spine. Right, Swani?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, D.
Okay. I am showing the screen. आप स्क्रीन से देख लीजिए, मैं शो कर रही हूँ स्क्रीन में। Yes. See the right answer, everyone. फिट लगा के रखे हैं, see the. Yes. Now, Chanchal is already. Konika, yes. What's the problem, Konika? Yes,
Ma'am,
Konika,
आपने
बोलिए।
स्क्रीन हटा दी।
नहीं मैंने हटाई तो नहीं है। ओके वेट, आई एम